Let's go. It's your boy DB live in the building. Hold on, let me get fucked for a second. Who? Yes, it's your boy DB live in the building. You already know who it is. Hey, I started an OnlyFans. You believe that? I started an OnlyFans so I can give people direct access to what I'm teaching and stuff like that. And ask direct questions. I have courses you can take as well, but people want to ask direct questions. That's what my OnlyFans is for. How do I make other OnlyFans people wealthy, rich, make more money? That's what I do. It's what I do. It's so much fun. And I'm not going to stop. Honestly, I think for the next 10 years, I'll probably be in this industry somehow, some way, building wealth between the opportunity of a lifetime, which means you can independently build your own money and your own brand through a platform delivering content and make an extra $2 to $10 to even $100,000 a month. Listen, $100,000 a month is hard work. I used to say it all the time, but I realize how much hard work it is, so I'm not about to just be saying it all the time like everybody can do it. So you already know. If you know your boy DB live in the building, make sure you click that link down below. You subscribe to my OnlyFans, or you comment down below just so I can get through all this bullshit of all these people out here giving terrible information about OnlyFans. But yeah, I started my own OnlyFans because I want to teach you a couple different things. One, you got to know how to sell, you got to know how to market, and you got to know how to do it, okay? But let me tell you something. If you have not started, just start. Do not allow you not knowing exactly what to do to stop you from starting, because the only way you get to know anything is just by starting in OnlyFans. If you're following any other person on this platform, I deliver the most content, I deliver the best information, and I continuously do it because I want people to grow. I slowed up for a second, but now I'm hot on fire. So that everyday drop is about to come in because we are not going to quit until I turn 1,000 people into making 100,000 plus a year, which is only $8,000 a month, which is $10,000 a month. But let me tell you something. People are like, oh my God, that seems impossible. You only need to take $100 from 100 people a month when it comes down to giving them and selling them and giving them an opportunity to buy. Listen, that 100 turns into 10,000. 10,000 minus 20% of what OnlyFans are more what you pay OnlyFans to do turns into 8. 8 turns into 100, right? But that ain't enough if you're trying to get real rich. You know what I'm saying? And you got to get taxes. So please make sure that you do your taxes and you do everything straight, because I've been seeing people last year get taxed from what their OnlyFans has done. And like, honestly, it's kind of depressing because it's kind of sad. It sucks that you have to do all this and then you don't get paid for, you don't get to keep majority of this money, the 80%. So if you're going to work with a management company, please make sure they're legit, make sure they do it. But hey, back to the point, I started on OnlyFans and I'm going to teach you a couple things. I'm going to teach you how I sell on the platform. I'm going to teach you the ins and outs of how you market. Everything's very, very unique. And that's why I started my own OnlyFans. So people can ask questions. I can go check out their OnlyFans, see it, give them unique feedback and stuff like that, because my course is very generic in a way, but it will help you if you don't even know the basics. If you don't know the ins, if you don't know the outs, it's going to help you. But hey, your boy DB started in OnlyFans. Please subscribe down below. Please make sure you hit me in that thumbs up. Hold on, I didn't even. Dude, oh wait, wrong one. Dude, this is the OnlyFans. It only got 11 people on here when you're watching this video because I just started. But we out here getting to the cash, okay? So I want to let you know, I'm going to teach you about how to do referrals, how to make more money with referrals, how to do the Volt, what the Volt is, the listings, why I use them, settings, you know what I'm saying, how to look at your money, how to get your stuff. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to give up everything to everybody. And people are like, oh my God, you charge. Yeah, I charge. Why? Because you can possibly make thousands of dollars and it's really off your back. It's not possible if you do the work. It's easy. Nah, it's not easy. It's simple. My bad. Excuse my language. It's simple. But I'm going to get out of here because, this main video is about me starting my OnlyFans and you getting a chance to come talk to me and learn from me. So I appreciate you, your blessings, your time, your energy. Everybody out here with the squad, the Marketing with Dom squad, we appreciate you. And we'll see you on the other side. Let's go, baby. If I had to call you, baby. We out here.